Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So it is asking for proof of VAT registration. You can basically upload it easily. So if required, HC may request your official VAT certificate for any verification needed. How are you gonna do all of this? Yes, the answer is correct. It's again Shop Manager. HC is all about Shop Manager. It's all about the correct information you enter. So let's get started. And again, if you are using the app, it's totally fine. Just make sure you are running the latest version. Then we're gonna go look if you are fully connected to the internet. Then we're gonna look for the HC on the search bar. Tap on this hc.com. It will take us immediately to a new tab where we should log in using our email address and password. Then we're gonna go to the shop manager, look for finances. So what we want is an option labeled legal and tax information. If prompted, click upload document, then choose your VAT certificate file. Make sure it's clear and complete. Then tap on submit. You can then wait for confirmation via email. As for like a bonus tips, upload a full and cropped document. Make sure there is enough light to see all of them details. Then ensure the name matches your shop's legal details also. Keep a digital copy saved for any future use. You can keep it as a PDF, as a PNG, JPG, whatever you actually like. Just make sure to keep a digital version within your computer or within your phone. And that's the whole idea here, so thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.